Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you tax rates applicable to social media influencer. Globally, 57% people using social media. So number of social media influencer has increased a lot. You must have seen it on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. So they're making money out of it. Now, normal tax rates are applicable to those people. There are no special tax rate for social media influencer. Like individual, slab is applicable to them. Plus, if their turnover is above 1 crore, they are subject to audit. And now, with few conditions, limit is extended to 10 crore. In addition to this, they can claim their business expenses. Like if I am working as a social media influencer, I have purchased camera, my office expenses, electricity. So those expenses can be claimed against that. Now, this was income tax angle. Now, let's talk about GST angle. As per the GST law, if the turnover crosses 10 or 20 lakh, they have to take GST number. Yes, GST number is mandatory for them depending upon from which state they are operating, and the rate of GST is 18%. Only advantage is that if they export service, on export there is no GST. So there they can save that GST rate. Hence, many of them are trying to provide service outside India. I hope you love this information. So please like the reel and please don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.